Osteomed pistol grip power handpieces come in two different wire pin driver body designs. Each wire pin driver body attaches to the respective motor unit and three handpiece modules with triggers: the wire pin driver module, high torque Jacobs chuck, and AO chuck. The 450-0285 wire pin driver body works with the 450-0030 hand-controlled motor unit and the 450-0084 low-profile motor unit. It connects to the 450-0287 Jacobs chuck, the 450-0291 AO chuck, and the 450-0296 wire pin driver module. The 450-0300 wire pin driver body works with the 450-0034 lever arm motor unit, LAMU. It connects to the 450-0302 Jacobs chuck, 450-0303 AO chuck, and the 450-0306 wire pin driver module. The difference between the 450-0285 and 450-0300 wire pin driver bodies is that the 450-0285 has a magnet on the end cap, and the 450-0300 doesn't have a magnet. The modules that connect the wire pin driver bodies are also slightly different. The modules that connect to the 450-0285 have a rubber dome that engages the motor unit body when the trigger is activated. The modules that connect to the 450-0300 have a sensor tab that engages the LAMU motor unit body when the trigger is activated. It is recommended that the speed be set at 50% when operating the pistol grip handpiece modules. Let's take a look at each of these pistol grip handpiece modules. The wire pin driver has a maximum speed of 1,823 RPM when the speed is correctly set at 50%. To attach the hand-controlled or low-profile motor unit to the 450-0285 wire pin driver body, align the magnet on the end cap of the 450-0285 wire pin driver body with the surface controls of the hand-controlled motor unit. Maintain the magnet to surface control alignment and fully insert the driver body into the motor unit. To attach the low-profile motor unit to the 450-0285 wire pin driver body, align the magnet on the end cap of the driver body with the laser mark on top of the low-profile motor unit. Again, maintain the magnet to laser mark alignment and fully insert the driver body into the motor unit. To remove either motor unit from the wire pin driver body, take hold of the driver body and the body of the motor unit and pull until the two separate. The 450-0300 lever arm motor unit wire pin driver body also has a maximum speed of 1,823 RPM when the speed is correctly set at 50%. To connect the 450-0300 wire pin driver body to the 450-0034 lever arm motor unit, start by removing the lever arm from the unit by rotating the lever 180 degrees toward the cord and pulling the lever arm out. Next, align the front of the wire pin driver body, the side that accepts the handpiece module connection, with the surface controls of the lever arm motor unit. Maintain the surface control alignment and insert the 450-0300 wire pin driver body into the 450-0034 lever arm motor unit until fully seated. To remove the unit, take hold of the driver body and the body of the motor unit and pull until the two components separate. Insertion of any of the three attachments is accomplished by carefully inserting the corresponding attachment into the driver body until it's fully seated. Removing the attachment is accomplished by releasing the attachment locking latch located on the top of the wire pin driver body. The wire pin driver handpiece module is designed to accommodate both K-wires and Steinmann pins in a size range from 0.028 inches to 0.125 inches in diameter. To set the wire pin driver handpiece module to the desired wire or pin size, rotate the size selector in either direction until the desired size is located within the window on the top of the housing. After the wire or pin size has been selected, insert a wire or pin into the opening of the collet. To drive a wire or pin, depress the locking lever toward the motor unit while activating the trigger or foot switch. To release a wire or pin, release the locking lever, then advance or retract the handpiece module along the wire or pin. Depressing the locking lever will then re-grip the wire or pin. The Jacobs Chuck handpiece modules have a maximum speed of 608 RPM when the speed is correctly set at 50%. To load the Jacobs Chuck handpiece module, the jaws must be opened to a size larger than the diameter of the accessory to be used. The included chuck key is used to adjust the opening of the locking jaws. Use the chuck key to tighten the locking jaws on the accessory until hand tight. To drive an accessory, depress the trigger or the foot switch. To release an accessory, use the included chuck key to loosen the locking jaws until the accessory can be pulled out using hand force. The final pistol grip handpiece module is the AO Chuck handpiece module. It operates at a maximum speed of 1,823 RPM when the speed is correctly set at 50%. The AO Chuck handpiece modules were designed to be used with accessories having an AO shank. To use this handpiece module, first insert the accessories into the AO Chuck by pulling back on the locking sleeve, inserting the accessory, then releasing the locking sleeve. To drive an accessory, depress the trigger or the foot switch. To release an accessory, pull back on the locking sleeve and remove the accessory from the AO Chuck. If you'd like to know more about how to operate your Osteomed Power Surgical instrumentation, contact Osteomed Customer Service at 1-800-456-7779 and request an Osteomed Power User Manual.